I'm Dr. Paulina, GP and aesthetics doctor. I wanted to talk in this video about how to use alcohol gel and when to use it, which is the most important thing. I've done a previous video on hand washing, so won't go through all of it again. So bare below the elbows and hair tied back again. So ideally we don't want to apply it with our hands, but we can do. So 1 or 2 squirts. And just as with hand washing, we'll rub it together and between our finger webs, tips of our fingers, thumbs, and wrists, and if you want, all the way down to the bottom of our hands. So the bit that a lot of people may not be aware of is that actually alcohol gel needs to dry off your hands, and this is when it kills the bacteria. So you do need to wait for all of it to dry, which can take up to 60 seconds, depending what brand of alcohol gel you have. And it's important to know when you actually have to wash your hands with soap and water. So that will be when your hands are visibly dirty, when you've used alcohol gel as so many times that you can feel a leathery layer on top of your hands. And the third one will be if you're looking after somebody who has a vomiting bug or upset stomach, because those spores won't actually get destroyed by the gel. So now my hands are dry and I'm ready to go on about my day. So I hope you found it useful. Like it, share it, and I'll be releasing another video about how to use, how to put on and take off surgical masks. So follow me. Thanks, bye.